Hi guys, this is Yogesh Agarwal, and in this video I will show you how to create a campaign that is a lead generation URL. After logging in, you need to click on create campaign URL link and then click on add new, and it will open up this page. Here you have three steps, so let's start one by one. So the first step, you need to give a campaign name. I'll just enter as my first campaign and the redirect URL. This is the landing page URL. That is, when a user clicks on a link, his name and email will be captured and he will be redirected to this page. That is, this will be your landing URL or your money site. So I'll use my company's website here, .com. So after entering these two, I'll just click on next. So in step 2, you need to give a list. You need to configure automation if you have like configured one in your system, and you need to like configure external autoresponder if you have like set up something in our system. Okay, so let's start with list. Here I have only one list in this account, so I'll be selecting this. You can select multiple lists here as well. For now I'm selecting this list. If you want to enable automation workflow for this campaign, that is the follow-up sequence of email, then you need to flip on this switch, and in this section you can select the automation workflow that you want to be triggered. So for now I'll be selecting affiliate product 1, and I'll be selecting an SMTP profile from which the emails will go. Okay, so now in this campaign, when a user clicks on this link, his lead will be captured, and automatically whatever the emails that is configured in this automation workflow will be triggered, and it will be sent using this SMTP server. Okay, this is all about automation workflow, and if you have configured any third-party autoresponder like GetResponse, Airvo, or Zapier, you need to enable it here. So as of now, I have not configured any of them, so I'll just leave it empty. And this is the custom URL feature. That is, right now we provide tracking URL with two of our own domains. If you want to use your own domain, you can add it in our system using this link. We have a separate video on how to do this, so I'm not going to explain what it is. So right now I have added this, but I will not be using this. I will just be using default URL which is available to all users, and I'll just click on next. This will be our lead generation URL. So whenever any user clicks on this URL, his name and email will be captured in our system, and any automation workflow that is configured will be triggered immediately. So this is the URL that you need to promote. This is all about creating a campaign, and now let's see the campaigns that we created in past. So this is the page view generated URL. This is the page where you can see all the campaigns that you have created, their redirect URL, their promote URLs, the conversion rates, that is how many clicks and how many leads, the automation setups, and all the information. If you want to edit this campaign, you need to click on this pencil button, and if you want to delete this, you can click on this delete button. This is all about campaign. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more interesting videos on leads profit.